I'm Jim from Major Machines, here to demonstrate the standard aluminum stick weight mode when you're using 2 stick weights on the rim. So the ALU button, you'll see the 1, that's actually, they don't, if you want to put the stick weight on the outside face edge of the wheel, you would go to number 2 if you're putting your stick weight here and here. And it kind of shows on the display. So this double arrow button changes between your 3 measurements. The first is the ruler. So the ruler is in centimeters and the display is in millimeters. So you have to add a 0 to the ruler, like 70, or if it's in the half, 75. In this case, we're almost 80. The rim width, which you got to measure with the caliper. Looks like 8.5 on this one. So just use the up or down to change the value. And then finally is just your tire size. So here we got an 18. And then just close your... So you rotate, this is your inside weight and this is your outside weight. So you rotate the bar so it's solid. I'll just do the inner one here quick. Once it's solid, it goes at the top of the wheel, 12 o'clock. So again, rotate your bar so it's solid, and then it goes at the 12 o'clock piece. Close your head. There's your balanced wheel.